In this application, we consider time loss. A watch loses 2 minutes in 10 hours. At this rate, how much will it lose in 24 hours? Our first step in solving an application problem is to familiarize ourselves with the problem situation. We notice that the rate of losing time is going to remain the same, and also we're asked how much the watch will lose in 24 hours. So we can define a variable for that, and let's let m equal the number of minutes that the watch will lose in 24 hours. We're ready now to go to our next step in the problem-solving process, and that is to translate the problem into mathematical language. Now, since the rate of time change is going to be the same, we can use a proportion to translate this. We need to be careful that we put the same units in the numerator of each ratio and the same units in the denominator. To translate, our first proportion we're given is 2 minutes lost in 10 hours, or the first ratio or rate we're given. This is minutes lost. This is how many hours it took. So our other ratio has to have minutes lost in the numerator and how many hours it took in the denominator. Now we're asked how many minutes it will lose in 24 hours, so the 24 should go in the denominator. And we define m to be the number of minutes the watch will lose in the 24 hours, so we write m. Since the rates are the same, we can set these equal to each other, and we have a translation to mathematical language. So our third step is to solve that equation. We want to solve the equation 2 over 10 equals m over 24. To solve this, we'll equate cross products. The cross products are 2 times 24 and 10 times m. So we write 2 times 24 equals 10 times m. To solve for m, we divide both sides by 10, and we get 2 times 24 divided by 10 equals 10 times m divided by 10. On the right side, this simplifies simply to m. And on the left side, we multiply 2 times 24, we get 48. Divide that by 10, we get 4.8. So we have a possible solution of 4.8 minutes it lost in 24 hours. To check that, which is the fourth step in our process, we substitute 4.8 for m in the proportion. We had 2 over 10 equals m over 24, or 4.8 over 24. Equating cross products, we have 10 times 4.8, which is 48, and we have 2 times 24, which is 48. Since the cross products are equal, 4.8 checks. And we can state our answer in a complete sentence as the last step in the process. The watch will lose 4.8 minutes in 24 hours.